Now let's understand what changes the tenses undergo. As I mentioned earlier, simple present changes into a simple past. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Present perfect changes into past perfect, whereas simple past changes into past perfect tense. There are some other important rules which we need to understand. The tense in the direct speech always doesn't undergo any change. So let's see certain situations in which the tense does not undergo a change. The first condition: if the reported verb is in present tense or in future tense, the tense within the inverted commas does not undergo any change. There is one more rule. If somebody is telling a universal truth, then the tense does not undergo any change. Let's understand it better with an example. He says to Rex, "I'm all right." Here, says is the present tense verb. It is the reporting verb which is in the present tense. We are going to replace it with tells. So, he tells Rex that he is all right. Since the reporting verb is in the present tense, we have not made any changes in the tense in the inverted commas. Let's take one more example. She says, "I don't like apples." She says is the simple present tense verb. Hence, we are not going to make any changes into the tense in inverted commas. So, she says that she doesn't like apples. Doesn't is again a simple present tense verb. Hence, we have not made any changes. Let's take one example about the universal truth. The teacher said Antarctica is the seventh continent. Well, to convert this sentence into indirect speech, we will have to remember that the teacher is telling the universal truth, which is not going to change. So, the indirect speech will be, the teacher said that Antarctica is the seventh continent, because it is always going to remain the seventh continent. What changes have we made in the sentence? We have simply removed the inverted commas and we have inserted the conjunction that. Let's take another example. The teacher said the earth revolves round the sun. Again, the teacher is giving us a universal truth. Hence, no changes in the tense. What happens to the sentence? Let's see. The teacher said that the earth revolves round the sun. What changes have we made in the sentence? We have again simply removed the inverted commas and inserted the conjunction that. The tense does not undergo any change because we are telling the universal truth. Statement. How to change a statement into an indirect speech. Let's understand certain rules to change a statement into an indirect speech. The first rule is use reported verb said or told. The second rule is use conjunction that. And the third rule is remove inverted commas. So we need to follow all these rules in order to change a statement into an indirect speech. Let's understand it better with an example. I attended your birthday party, said Ryan to Mark. Well, now we have to change this statement into a reported speech or in an indirect speech. Well, the speaker and the listener both are at the end of the sentence, but while turning it into an indirect speech, we will have to take them in the beginning. So the sentence becomes Ryan told Mark. Now it is the place of a conjunction that. The place of inverted commas has been replaced by the conjunction that. So Ryan told Mark that. Just understand which tense is that. Attended. It is a past tense, simple past tense. As per the rule, the simple past tense gets converted into a past perfect tense. So, attended becomes had attended. Who is the speaker? Ryan is the speaker. Ryan is a boy. So, we are going to use he in place of Ryan. Let's see how it happens. Ryan told Mark that he had attended his birthday party. Your becomes his because your is the listener and the listener is Mark, again a boy. Please remember, children, the speaker and the listener are very important. I is always the speaker, you is always the listener. We need to change these pronouns according to the speaker and the listener. Let's take one more example. Sam said, Eric, you have a wonderful family. Please note, children, here Sam is the speaker and Eric is the listener. Eric is within inverted commas. But as you remember, while turning the sentence into an indirect speech, we remove inverted commas. So, while changing the sentence into reported speech, we will have to take Eric also outside. Let's understand how the change goes. So, the reported speech or the indirect speech becomes Sam told Eric. We need the conjunction here. Which is the conjunction? That. Now, look at the tense have. Have is the simple present tense. Do you remember the rules? Simple present tense turns into a simple past tense. So, have becomes had. Do you remember? Had is the past tense of have. Well, you is the listener. Who is the listener? Eric. Eric is a boy. So, you gets converted into he. And the sentence goes something like this. Sam told Eric that he had a wonderful family. Well, I hope you understand the various changes that have taken place while converting a direct speech into an indirect speech or a reported speech. Let's take one more example to understand it better. He said, I am going to London today. Well, he said. Who is the speaker? He. So, I in the inverted commas changes according to the speaker. Here, he is the boy. So, I also changes into he. Let's see how the changes happen. He said, Well, the place of inverted commas is to be replaced by the conjunction that. So, he am giving is the present continuous tense. According to the rules, present continuous tense changes into past continuous. So, am going gets converted into was going. Well, there is one more change that happens here. Today. Today is in the direct speech, which becomes that day in indirect speech because we are converting everything into past tense. We cannot write today in past tense, so we will have to make changes into this adverb and it goes into that day. So the sentence becomes, he said that he was going to London that day. Well, aren't you enjoying? Let's take one more example. Raina said, I was watching a film. Raina said, Raina is a girl. So, I in the direct speech changes according to the speaker. I will change into she. And was watching is a past continuous tense, which according to the rules changes into past perfect continuous. So let's observe what kind of changes happen in this sentence. Raina said that she had been watching a film. Did you see that? We have no inverted commas in the indirect speech, and the place of inverted commas has been taken by the conjunction that. Well, let's take one more example. Max said, I shall write the note. Max is a boy, so I in the direct speech will change into he. Max said that he would write the note.
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.